We are fixing the blurry edges, cut off text, and weird white borders on your printed Canva designs right now. When your printed physical paper comes back looking wrong, it usually comes down to three specific lines: bleed, crop marks, and margins. Bleed is the extra background area that lets your colors print all the way to the absolute edge of the paper. Crop marks are the small trim lines that tell the professional printing machine where to slice the sheet. Margins, or the safe area, are the inner boundaries that keep your text, logos, and QR codes safe from getting chopped off. If your artwork stops exactly at the edge of your digital canvas, even a standard trim can leave ugly white slivers on the final product because paper shifts slightly during printing. On the flip side, if your text sits too close to the border, that same normal paper movement will clip off your letters. To fix this inside Canva, start by clicking on File in the top left corner of your screen, hover over Settings, and scroll down to where it says Show Print Bleed. Click on that. You will instantly see a dashed line appear around the outer edge of your canvas, and that extra space outside the dashed line is your bleed area. Now, click on your background image or color block. Drag the handles and stretch that visual element all the way past the canvas edge so it completely fills that outer bleed boundary. Next, go back up to File, hover over View Settings again, and click where it says Show Margins. A second box appears inside your canvas. Take all your essential text, critical logos, and contact information and drag them inward so they sit comfortably inside the safe margin line. The trade-off here is important to remember. By extending your background images into the bleed area, you are intentionally allowing part of your graphic to get permanently cut off by the printer. Anything placed outside the dashed bleed line will be sliced away, so you lose those outer visual details to guarantee a borderless edge. Once your design is stretched and padded correctly, go to the top right corner and click Share. Scroll down and click Download. Click on File Type and change it from PNG to PDF print. Right below that, click the checkbox where it says Crop Marks and Bleed. Toggling this on automatically adds the physical cut indicators for the print shop while including your stretched background. Hit download and your print ready file is done. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful and I'll see you in the next one.